Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2011 Ford Escape, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace a battery in this SUV. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab a 10mm socket and 8mm socket, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna loosen up these terminals, this positive, and over here the negative. We're gonna loosen them up, and after that we're gonna loosen up this here. Okay, and this one, you see these two nuts, this one and this one, so we loosen up halfway, and I'm gonna show you what to do next. Okay, so let's loosen the first terminal. All right, next this one. Okay, so you should wiggle. Once we're ready, we can just take them off, set aside, just like this, and negative also here, and we're gonna do the same thing here and here. Okay, so let's get this thing off. Actually, not till the end, we can just okay, just take them off, and no, okay, just take both nuts off and take this bracket off. All right guys, so I got my replacement battery. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the bracket back on, this one and this one here. Hopefully I'm gonna be able to fit it in. I should. And then we're gonna put terminals back on, tighten everything up, and we should be good. Okay, I was able to fit everything on. I removed from here these links, and then I was able to get my mount on. So now let's start it. Let's see how it works, if it works, by the way. Here we go. It's all good. Okay guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.